Hi guys, good evening. So, can anyone please confirm I'm audible? Thanks for confirmation. Hi Naveen. Okay, the point is this Saturday I'm going to take 3 hour session complete Linux end to end. So, everyone please join. Saturday is the last session. If you are having any doubts, you can ask. I'm going to conduct a session on Saturday, one day for Linux like that. So don't miss it. If you miss, you may miss very important concepts. I can say that regular troubleshooting things. Same 6 to 8:30. Okay, 6 to 8:30. Very important. So tomorrow we don't have session. Yeah, tomorrow we don't have session. But Saturday 3 hour session is there. Monday new batch is going to start by different trainer. It's a free of cost. Anyone can join. But before that, I need to complete. But 100% Saturday, full focus on storage, EFS, EBS, real time. Very important. Correct. Very important, guys. In real time, we are lot of issues we are facing for the EBS, EFS by using Linux. How we can, yeah, Linux full movie. One day for Linux. Yeah. So I am not taking any Linux batches, guys. For you all, I'm taking. Already I have shared the notes. Guys, I have shared notes, right? You can see GitHub repository. It's a public. I have already shared every batch. This is the one. All the commands are there here. Table of contents. Here you can see Linux basics, file management, navigation commands, users management, permission management, process management, package management, networking commands, storage commands. So system monitoring, service management, shell scripting. So compression commands, logging, all are done. 16 modules. If you know these commands, enough, Linux. Even I don't know these many commands also, frankly speaking. Hmm. Okay. Thanks. Okay. See, I'm going to test your knowledge today. First 15 minutes. I'm going to create a service. I'm terminating existing. Interesting commands I will discuss today. Very interesting commands. Launch server. I'm going to launch 2 servers. Default. I will explain this process also recently added S3 file system also Saturday. 2 servers. Proceed without key pair. Also, I will discuss event PEM file loss, how to handle also I'll discuss. Very easy nowadays. We no need to detach volumes or process, not at all required. Two servers are creating. Two servers are creating. Okay. So guys, I can give name. This is source. I will execute all commands Saturday, everything in one class. Okay. Yeah. Let's connect. See, by default, I have login as a EC2-user. You can log in as a root also. Let me log in root also. Guys, sudo su hyphen clear na root user, other user. Let's create a one user also. User add NIT. Simple command, right? NIT user add NIT. Let's log in as a NIT also. One question to you. Yeah, three users. Okay, NIT user login. See guys, if you want to log in from external, definitely you have to enable password option inside, right? Okay, by default, AWS servers allow for PEM file only. But if you try to log in by using MobiXterm or command prompt, user should require password. So how to enable password? Password space user. So give the password and root file, root user. If you open and inside etc configuration file, you have to enable password option. By default, it's a no. You have to enable yes, and later user can log in from external also by using password method. This is what yesterday we discussed, right? Next, today I'll discuss groups also, how to create group, and I will finish in just 20 minutes. Yes, simple question now. Root. Let's go to temp directory, a common directory here. So vi test.sh. Let's add a bin bash. Okay. So guys, understand, very important. First, I'm creating mkdir. Any directory name you can create. DevOps. CD DevOps. Touch file1. File1 creating into which directory inside? DevOps directory. So DevOps directory also creating, right? This is Shebang line. Inside the Shebang line, you can add all instructions, whatever you can add. Okay, guys, let me tell you very clear here. ls, how to check permission, ls-l. See, tested sh having which permission? Read permission. So user having a read permission. So guys, understand. Now let's go to user. NIT also user, EC2 user also user only, right now. So let's move to temp directory here to access that file. See, test.sh is there. When I run sh test.sh, or we can run one more option is what? Test.sh also, right? So guys, if you want to execute this, permission denied. Clear point I'm highlighting here. Remember this always. When you run shell script with this command // execute permission also required along with the read permission. Read plus execute permission required if you want to run shell script with // test.sh. See permission expecting or not? Same script I'm going to run sh test.sh. Clear now? So two ways we run a shell script. One is // or sh space. Yeah. See now sh is test.sh. Here let's move to inside now. Yeah. Let's go to quickly root user. See executing or not now? Executing. Let's go to test.sh. Mistake is what? S missing, right or not? But executing or not now? S missing, right? MKDR is DevOps, but CD now before given a wrong. Okay, I just corrected now. Okay, let's move to user again. NIT user. Let's run again. See permission denied. But SH space tested SH. Okay, already file exists. DevOps already created, right or not? Again, otherwise we can change. Let's go to root. Let's change now. See, directory already exists, right? We can't create same name directory, right or not? I'm giving here DevOps AWS. Here also AWS. Now you can see. Go to NIT. Again, I'm giving. So this is impossible. Permission denied. But see, executed or not? How to check LS? See, directory created or not? DevOps AWS. Go inside DevOps AWS. See, file one created or not? See, when you run a script with sh, read permission is enough. When you run a script with // execute permission also required. This is point number 1. Yeah, thanks, Rajani. First important thing is clear, right? Let's move to back now again. Root directory. Okay. vi test.sh. Again, I'm going to change, otherwise it will throw an error. DevOps AWS Azure. Clear na? So ls-l, you can see test.sh contains what here? Only read permission, right or not? Let's try to go here. NIT. Yeah. ls. Yeah. Test.sh is clear right now. When I run like this, able to run or not? Permission denied. So let's go to root again. ls-l, if I can check, see, only read permission only there for this test.sh for others, right or not? I'm going to give write permission also. Sorry, execute permission also. How to give? 7 for owner and 0 for group. Leave it. Next, others 5. Very good. 5 test.sh. Clear na guys? Again, you can check ls-l. Come on. ls-l. See, read plus execute permission is there. Write when it will required. Let me show you. See, executed or not? See, when you use dot // definitely this request will go to bash. So execute permission is required for this. Now, guys, a simple logic I'm going to discuss here. I want to modify this file. Is it possible or not? This file created by root. I want to change this inside the script. Possible or not? Just yes or no. Online team. Possible or not? Hmm? Possible or not? Thanks, guys. Answer is no. Why? Oh my God. Let's do it now. Okay. You are saying not possible, right? Changing read only. Changing read only. The reason we don't have permission. This NIT user not having write permission. Clear na guys? Till here? Perfect. And one more thing. This question is interesting question for you. Definitely this is very interesting question. You have to agree that. M install git-y. M install git-y. First instruction is what? Git will install. Next instruction is what? Okay, let me change this one also. Otherwise error will come, right? Directory not exist means error will come. GCP. Now this is very important question to you now. Root created. What permissions are there, guys? Read execute for others. Others means NIT. Tell me, guys, sh test.sh are this one able to run or not? Why no? Tell me. Now, am I able to run my NIT user, Naresh IT user able to run script or not? Yes or no? Very good, guys. Now you are on track. Okay. Yes. Very good. You are right. Error is what? See, you can run this one also. Here, error is not with this command. Inside the insert script. Insert script, what we mention here? M install. Guys, M install, who is running this command indirectly? NIT user only. See, script inside if you add means what? Who is running NIT user? NIT user running first command, NIT user running second command, NIT user running third command, but NIT user stuck here only. Why? M packages if you want to install, user should require to add into sudoers file inside. Clear na guys? You know how to do that, right? VI etc sudoers inside go and you can add NIT user over there. If you want to give all permissions, you can give. Otherwise, you can give only permission to install Git. Till here, clear na guys, everyone? The question to you, is it user able to run or not? Temp director inside. Is it hyphen user able to run or not? sh test.sh. Tell me quickly, online team, possible or not? EC to hyphen user possible or not? You can ignore this. Error already got. Under the root user only. Why EC to user not possible? Guys, tell me, ignore for your script. M install git hyphen are you able to run? No. You have to add here sudo before. So the command also inside you need to add a sudo. Your script inside sudo haven't added, right? That's what the problem is. Clear na guys? Any questions from anyone? Clear na guys? Okay. Nice guys, nice. Next, let's discuss groups. Nothing is there. First digit is what? Owner. Last is other user. In between someone also there na group only. So guys, just tell me one thing. Simple question to you. Simple question to you. Now, is there any group? Is there any group exist? No. How many users are there? 3. One is root. Other is 2 are users only. ESUT-user also user. NIT also user. Can I add NIT into root group? Yes, we can add root user. Okay. How to add? User mod hyphen A hyphen G hyphen G user mod hyphen A hyphen G Veera. Sorry. Root Veera. Clear na? Root group Veera I'm adding. Oh, I'm just testing. Huh? Okay. Okay. Group created or not? We have to check first. Clear na? See, NIT user already exists, root user already exists. NIT added into root group or root added into NIT group, we can check. Okay. So guys, first understand one thing. This command can able to run root user only. User cannot add group into others into user group. Simple IAM user is there na. IAM user can't add any permission, right? Yeah. So guys, we can check one command is there ID. By using this command also we can check user information ID root. See, when you run this command ID root, this is user ID, group ID, groups. Root is not involved into any group. Agree or not? Root is not involved. Root is not joined into any other group. Others join into root group as of now. Now let's give ID NIT. Tell me what difference you observe here. Whenever you can create user na guys, user ID will be created, group ID will be created, group also will be created. But until you add someone into group, no user can add it automatically. Now, root is added into any other group. Guys, understand, groups means root is not participating into another group. Let's come to NIT. NIT group is what? NIT participating into root group. NIT participating into root group. Root is not participating in NIT group. Clear na guys? So NIT participating into NIT group plus root group also. Now root, if you give any permission, na, if root give any permission for group level, apply for NIT also. Clear na what I'm trying to say? Let's say, focus what I'm trying to say. Touch. Let me, no confusions. I'll make, I'll make it simple. Okay. I'm going to create a file. Cat file cat clear na ls hyphen l. At least if you're not focusing on the concept, at least focusing on the commands. Enough. Guys, now tell me others what permissions having? Read. Now others are what user is comes under others? How many users are there total? 3. Root, NIT, EC2-user. Root is created file, root is the owner. Next, two users are there na. EC-user is comes under other user or group user? Other user. What about NAT? NAT is group user now. Whose point of view? Root point of view. This is important. Every user point of view, NAT is not group user. For example, a small question to you. If EC2-user create a file, understand what I'm trying to say? EC2-user create a file. Who is the owner of the file? EC2-user, along with root also having a full permissions. Now, EC2-user point of view, other users means what? NIT. Very good. Does NIT comes under EC2-user group user or not? No. NIT comes under which user point of view? Group user, root point of view. EC2 group inside NIT is not added, right? See, this is not, NIT is not universally group user, only for root point of view. EC2-user create a file, EC2-user point of view, NIT is others user only. Clear na guys what I'm trying to say? Now apply DevOps technology. Whenever you can install EC2 Docker commands by default run root user only. If you want to run EC2-user, what you need to do? Very good. Add EC2-user into Docker group. Whenever Docker install na, m install docker-y, Docker user will create. Docker user is which type of user? System user. Whenever user created, also group also, guys, if you create any user na, user ID created, group created. Remember always. But who can participate into group? You have to decide. But group automatically create. For example, let me show you. User add Sai is there na? Sai user created. If I check ID, Sai. See, by default, Sai user ID created, Sai group ID created, Sai group also created. But Sai is not participating into any group until add Sai into any other group. Clear na now? Okay. I don't want to confuse you now. Okay. Now, file is there or not? File. What permissions are there? read. Others read. Others read. Simple question to you. chmod owner 7 group 6 others 0. Which file? This file. Tell me who can change the file content. My end, how many users are there? Root users, owner, leave it. Next, how many users are there? EC2-user, NIT user, Sai. Now, who can write the file? Root user, leave it now. Root created a file. I'm not talking about root, definitely do it now. Remaining 3 users, can anyone able to write the file or not? If yes, which user? Let me give ls-l. You may confusing here. By saying this, you may say answer. Sorry, I'm checking. Where is the file? This one only, right? See, others, no permission. Group, read, write. Tell me who can write the file? Which user? NIT. Why? Who created a file? Root. Root is the owner. Root group inside already NIT user is participating. So now root user giving a group level permission means my group level permission. My group level, whoever there, NIT is there. So NIT will get NIT group permissions. Let's go and check NIT. First read the file. What happened? What happened? Source, right? Username is what? Where to go? Temp directory, file, cat. See, sometimes cache also their permissions. Okay. If something is weird, you no need to ping me. Just restart. And again, you can check it. Okay. Cat double greater than. See, able to write or not? You can add cat file now. See, let's go to EC-user. Guys, try to understand, otherwise leave it, guys. Nothing, no use. Just understand. User is there, group permission required, add. That's it. Don't take personally this one. Understand? Happily you can sleep. Don't think much user group, others, huh? Happily sleep. We have a lot of channels to understand these concepts. Okay, no worries. Okay, EC-user comes under root point of which user? Other user. Why I'm taking root point of view always? File created root only. If EC-user create file, I'm not talking about root. I will consider EC-user only. Clear na guys what I'm trying to say? Tell me guys, EC-user able to write the file or not? This is my question. Online team, anyone? Very good guys, very good. Permission denied. Why EC-user comes under others? Now, if EC-user, if I add NIT group, tell me EC-user able to write or not? Missing again. No. Who is NIT user here? NIT user not created a file. Root created a file. If you add root group only, get. See, IAM also concept is there na. If you participate into group, individual permissions work individually, group permissions only share. Clear now? Yeah, it should be part of root group. Why? File created by root only. Otherwise, we can do one thing. Let's add user mod. User EC-user able to add user into root group. User mod -a -g root EC-user. Is it possible or not? Huh? Is it possible or not? No. Definitely no, right? If EC-user itself able to join in the root group, why root here? Who can add? Root only, right? Root only do this. Okay. EC-user requesting to root. Can you please add into your group now? I will get some permissions. If really required, yes. Root is saying, okay, you can join my group. Who? EC-user. Done. ID EC-user. Check. See EC-user participating by default these groups and also additionally root group also. Now tell me this file able to write or not? No. Right or not? Again restart, log in and again it will work. No doubt 100% it will work. Clear the concept is now? Okay. Simple question now. Very simple question now. Let's go to NIT user. NIT user part of root group or not? Guys, are you clear? Now, does NIT user able to install Git or not? Install Nginx or not? As NIT part of root group, can able to run this command or not? See guys, don't confuse here, 100% no. The reason sudo permissions are different, user permissions are different. Sudo permission if required, 100% definitely we have to add the sudoers file. Inside until you add the user, User cannot run any package m package commands. Clear na till here? Everyone is clear na? Last finishing touch. Go to root. My root is decided to give full permission for my NAT user. But NAT user are the part of the group, right? Still, ls-l. See, root for this file na. Now NAT user is, root is going to give full permission. How to give? chown change ownership NIT file. Clear na guys? Now tell me this time NAT user root given full permission. So NAT user able to run M commands or not? Again, you guys are missing, guys. Apply the logic. See, I wantedly ask the questions. You don't divert it. Guys, here you are always focusing on this term only. But you have to focus this one always. Ownership permission giving to only this file. Getting or not? Ownership permission giving to only this file, not everything. This point you have to understand. But M command, how you can run M install command? I given change ownership for this file only. If you want to delete, you can delete, boss. Clear now what I'm trying to say? Hmm? So M permission, if required, definitely user should be added into sudoers file. Jenkins is there. Jenkins script, if you write, the script is what? Git to clone first. Checkout, git checkout first. Docker build, Docker push. We're running now. But if you write a condition, git to clone, if git is not there, install. Condition is clear na. Otherwise, pipeline will fail na. Git clone. If git does not exist, m install git. Condition if you write na, first install the git, then git clone. But if you run git install command, Jenkins user by default able to run git or not? Jenkins user by default able to run m install git or not? Guys, Jenkins user is what? System user, right? System user, until you add sudoers file, no one can able to run m commands. Clear na? Sudo commands, not only m commands, sudo commands. In this case, what we have to do? Whenever you can install the Jenkins, you can take the Jenkins user, add into sudoers file. Then Jenkins get full permission. Always Jenkins can able to do anything while running a script. M install, it can run whatever it can run. Clear? For example, M install Jenkins -y. Okay. What happened? Okay, Jenkins package is not there now. Sorry, I'm directly installing. M install. Okay. Docker -y. How to check users? Command is what? Cat etc pswd. How to check existing users, complete users, including system users. Command install. Cat etc pswd to check the existing users. Important command this is. Interview also they may ask how to check existing users. See, Sai is there. Is it somewhere Docker also we can see. You can start Docker systemctl start Docker. Hmm. Mm, Definitely Docker should be there. ID Docker. Why Docker is not here? Maybe Docker separate group. Okay, quickly I'll check now. Docker. Docker. Yeah. See, what is the meaning of this now? Ah, which one adding which group? EC2 user adding into Docker group, right? So somewhere Docker group created in that case. See, fine now. Then why Docker user? Maybe different place, maybe stored system users. I'm not aware of this, but definitely. See, this command, definitely it will fail, right? If I give like this. See, this one is not exist, but this one exists, right? So somewhere Docker created. Okay, no confusions here. Now EC2 user also able to run Docker commands. But why EC2 user adding into Docker group? Otherwise, by default, root only can able to run like this. See, these concepts we have to focus much. We are not supposed to create users giving a permission in Linux. 100% clear. But these concepts to understand only, I took that sessions, user group permissions and all. Okay. Clear not till here? Users, others, groups, how to understand, and permissions, how to give. Permissions, I have added already here. You can see read for, write to, execute one. You can give numeric also. X, W, R, like that also we can give. So guys, till here clear na? I'm going to discuss very interesting concept now. Please focus. This is very useful concept. Yeah, very important concept I'm going to discuss now. Focus, okay? Interesting concept. Let's close all the things except root user. Now users concept is done. We no need to focus much. I'm going to I will discuss 6 or 7 commands, guys. Networking point of view, you can able to debug anything with that 6, 7 commands. You can by heart these commands also. In interview, definitely they will ask these commands, no doubt. Okay. Source EC2, I have logged in already. Let's go to login destination EC2 also. Tomorrow we don't have any session. Saturday I'm going to take 2.5 hour session. Please don't skip that session. Very important. I will cover entire storage, disk resizing, disk attaching, disk format, EFS attach, EFS unmount. Okay. Additional disk, how to attach, how to resize additional disk, how to mount, unmount. If root volume OS crash, how to handle everything I will discuss. EBS, EFS, complete concept will cover 2.5 hours. Clear until here? So, guys, understand in this server, I have login, right? Which SG group which SG group attached? Source server, destination server inside. 22, 80, enable. Okay. What about source server? (20 to 80) enable. Let's make it into all traffic. Clear now? So both level it will apply automatically, right? If one SGF you can do, same SGF you are attaching now. Both server level update, all traffic. Perfect. So both servers now, same SG attached, SG inbound is enable all traffic. Clear not till here? So guys, this server inside, Python application is running. Understand? Python application running on 3000 port number. Now you got one request from the client, application unable to access. Getting what I'm trying to say? Application unable to access. How to debug? Tell me. Point number 1. Networking, Linux networking. So 100% this kind of questions will come. This is my server. Okay guys, this server attached SG. Focus this 30 minutes. This is cloud and DevOps point of view Linux. Here I'm allowing all traffic. Okay, SG level. So understand one Python process is running. So 3000 port number Python application is running. This is 1 week back story. Python application started on 3000 port number. Clear na? Python application started on this server. 3000 port number Python app process is running. Clear na? Okay. Now all of a sudden your client is saying that I'm unable to access application. Tell me, give me the checklist. I will write how to check. There is a question, Veera, if we add someone's to sudo, no, not possible. Sudo's file, no one can able to edit until root. Clear na guys? Someone cannot possible to add sudo's files inside any configuration. Even the person having a write access also. Sudo's sudo's configuration file by default having full access for root only. Clear na? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Tell me, checklist I'm writing. My application, Python application, see, not accessible to client. Not accessible to client. Tell me how to debug. First checklist, favorite checklist is what? SG group. Clear. Check SG whitelisted or not. Which one? App port whitelisted with correct source or not. SG level. Check SG level. App port whitelisted with correct source or not. Source also we have to check now. Port number source. Perfect. Next. Route table. Okay. Okay. Routings. Routings from where? Routings, where you can check which routings you can check. NAT gateway na? Does client can access NAT gateway? NAT is for server. Server to install the packages. Routings, which routings you can check? Which routings? Tell me how request will go to inside the AWS cloud. How the request will go to inside? Internet gateway. Definitely internet gateway not attached to server. Internet gateway attached to load balancer. Load balancer level SG also allowed or not. That's what the SG level port number is. Okay. Check routings for load balancer. Okay, I'm writing for your satisfactions. Check routings for valid point only. Check routing for load balance level. Load balancer level. And also LBSG also. Along with server SG also. LB will send traffic to server na. Server level SG should allow. LB level should allow. But server level, load balancer secret group ID we have to give. Load balancer level, any source, 000. Request is coming from external, right? Okay, both are perfect. Next, two are fine. Yes, both are fine. Next, inform to client everything is good. Next, server inside Python process running or not, you have to check or not. Most of the people skip this point. SG level good, LB level good, everything is good. No, not at all like that. Third point is what? First, which port number? First we have to check inside the server on 3000 port process running or not. Clear na guys? I will give you two commands here. Not two, many commands I will give you. Important commands. How to check process running or not? PS aux to check number of running process. Clear na? By seeing that, you can also identify Python process running or not. Otherwise, we can give PS aux grep pipe symbol combine grep Python process running or not. Okay, guys, by seeing this, Python process successfully running. Clear na? Python process successfully running. Still unable to access. Next is what? Okay, logs only. But next. Guys, understand. You may see Python process is running. Someone may be changed port number for Python. We don't know, right? 3000 to 3001, maybe they changed. You are checking only Python process running or not. But Python process running on which port? Important or not? Why? Load balancer target group level I have given 3000. Maybe process is running on 3001. See how we can think many ways are there or not now. Next is what? Check port listening or not. Check port listening or not. Which port? 3000. This is one more Linux command. How to check? There is a Linux command now. ss-tull. If you give this command, it will show all open ports inside the server. Number of open ports. Not yet done, guys. Wait. Let's go and check now. That is old command. Netstart hyphen tunnel also we can run. SS hyphen tunnel is a old new one. Okay. SS hyphen tunnel. Okay. You can ignore these ports. Only listen. Listen which port only? 22 only. Here you may get a one doubt. Here you may get a one doubt. Guys, please focus. Very, very important what I'm trying to say. Veera, you have enabled all traffic na? Hmm? Why I can see only 22? Tell me guys, ss-tunnel is a Linux command or AWS command? AWS command or Linux command? How Linux can validate SG group port numbers? Point or not? Which command can give SG level open ports? Not Linux command, CLI command. AWS CLI command can give AWS level what ports are enabled? SG level, right or not? But this command is what, guys? Close this one. This command is what? This server point, this server inside only. This server inside AWS is not there is no relation, right? AWS is not responsible inside the server permissions, right or not? SS-tunnel is what? Open ports inside the server. SG level all traffic means inside the server not enable all ports. Currently active port is what? Currently active port is what? 22. That's what you are able to log in or not? If you are unable to log in, 22 port also not possible, right or not? Now, install nginx-y. Please install. Tell me guys. I'm going to start Nginx. Systemctl start which port is busy now? In your server 80 also active or not? No. Again run ss-tunnel. Clear now? 80 active or not? In your server inside 22 port is busy, 80 port is busy. For example, guys, install HTTPD. HTTPD also run on 80 only na? Definitely HTTPD will fail. Immediately you can check ss-tunnel. Any 80 port is busy. That's what HTTPD unable to run. Yes, quickly run ss-tunnel. Okay, 80 already busy now. Okay. Clear now what I'm trying to say? Till here clear na? Not yet done. Now, so one more command I will tell you for you, lsof here. Yeah, this is also good one, lsof. Here, this command give, see, both process guys, pssox will give what? Number of process. It won't give which process is running on which port. This is very clear now. CPU only give which port running on which process, it won't give. Python process running or not, it will show only. See, Nginx process running on psaux pipe grep Nginx. See, Nginx running or not, it is showing, but Nginx running on which port it is showing na? So incomplete. I want to know, Veera, this port, which process is running, or this process, which port running? Okay, ss-tunnel giving which port is active, but which process again incomplete, right? But this command will give lsof here -i port number if you can give na, and this port which process is running it will give. Which process is running? Hello. Clear na guys? What I'm trying to say? So I'm running again 81. See, on 81, no process is running. So which process is running on which port? These are very, very important commands, guys. Every day we are using these commands. Every day. If any issue will come. Example 80 port. Clear na till here? So like this, we have to debug. So which port, which process and all. See these five, you can say this five checklist in your interview. You have to say this five checklist, not only SG group always. Clear na? One more command. Nmap. Nmap. Nmap command, guys, it will scan complete active ports. It will scan active ports. Directly give nmap command is not there. M install, guys, just give me 10 minutes. I will close. No worries, right? M install nmap -y. Okay. So nmap, give the IP. Okay, we have to give the IP. Which IP? Private IP. Inside the server now, you can give private IP. Okay, okay. See, it is giving which port is same like a SS-tunnel only, this one also. But there is a difference. I'll tell you. Till here clear na? So nmap also, nmap also giving here which port currently active. Is this SG group level or server level? Server level only. I'm running Linux commands. Linux commands only validate inside the server only. It won't go security group level. Clear na guys? Security group level CLI commands, guys. Okay, let me show you. Give CLI AWS command. How many? What ports are enabled? See, guys, if you can give this one, what you need to do? Run this command. SGID we have to change. Oh, role story also there, right? You understand, right? What I'm saying here? You got it, right? This command will give SG level information. AWS commands give AWS level. Linux command, Linux server level. User add, IAM user not create. Clear na guys? Understand? IAM users and all AWS level managing. User add is Linux level. Same here also. You may get it out. What is the difference between nmap SS-tunnel, right? Both are giving same only, right? But it is giving little bit clear. open or not and all, right or not? Okay. SS-tunnel also similar, but I'll show the difference now. Wait, here also 80-20 also running, right? Then what's the difference? Okay, let's wait. Now guys, go to target server. Where is the target? I have login already destination server, huh? Okay, I'm inside of destination server, right? Okay, let's connect to source server. Otherwise, yeah, this is source server, right? I'm taking this IP. Okay, public IP. Nmap. What difference you observe, guys? Nmap able to scan not only same server, other server also. But SS-tunnel only same server only, not other server. Clear the difference is? For example, one server is not accepting any, not accepting something. You can take that server IP. You can run from your laptop also. Nmap that server what port numbers are accepting. You can check it also. Can I give private IP also here? Hmm? Can I give private IP also? Yes, the reason both are in same VPC. See, why 80 is not showing here? That server inside Nginx is not running, 22 active. Already we have login, right? 22 active. That's what Nginx is not running. Let's go and install. Let's connect this server. Install. Now this 8 here also SS-tunnel. I can see 8022, right? But let's go to different server. Here, destination server. Before it is showing only 22, right? Again, you can run now. 8 add or not, target server. So by using nmap command, you can scan any server ports, not only self-server ports. We can give like this also, nmap 23. See, starting scanning, 23 is not connecting. See, 23 is not there. Or you can give 22. See, done. 22 is enabled. Clear na guys? So what is the difference between SS-tunnel and Nmap? You got it right. Nmap can scan any server ports, not only self-server ports. SS-tunnel something is to only same server ports. Clear na guys? And final one, very important one guys, telnet. Telnet. So many ways are there. For example, this server connecting on specific port or not. Clear na? Telnet this server able to connecting 22 or not, it will check. Install. See, connected means this IP able to connect 22. The reason 22 process running, yes, this server inside 22 process running, your server able to connect 22. Clear na guys? Next, 23. Connection refused. 23, nothing is running here. So I'm unable to connect 23. Clear na? So specific, for example, you can check different server also. Let's now source. This is important command. Telnet missing. See, this is important command. Why I'm saying na? When you're running a Bastion host, you are unable to connect a target server. At that time, why I'm unable to connect? Simple, give the target server IP inside the Bastion host. Check telnet target IP 22 port able to connect or not. Clear na? If refuse means so the target server inside 22 port is not enabled. This way also we can do. Clear na? Yeah. So these are important commands, guys. So telnet targets. Okay, I can give up arrow. Yeah. Okay. Telnet 80. Connected or not? Huh? Okay. Now focus everyone. Same as I'm using for both servers, right? Now tell me where I'm running. Here I'm running. See, this IP is different server IP. I'm giving 80 port. Will it connect or not? Anyone can guess? Clear na? Why? Sir, target server inside 80 is running na, sir. Yes, running. Source server inside 80 running. Source server, leave it. The command meaning is what? Hey server, can you connect this server? 80 port running or not? Can you please tell me? I mean 80 port, sorry, my bad. 80 port running or not? It's not like that. This server able to connect this server through 80 port. I mean, this server to target server 80 connection is there or not? Is there an 80 connection? Now, clear the difference. 22 port enabled, sir. Just now you said na SG group is not comes under Linux. I'm not talking about Linux now. This see guys, tell me here two servers are there. Two servers are there. This SG allowing only 22. This SG no need now. The reason server is pinging, right? This is also 22. Now what I'm saying, this server able to connect this server and 80 port I'm saying. So here 80 port running or not? Nginx is running on 80. Hey, this source server connect or not target server on 80 port. Telnet target IP 80 port I'm giving. So first request will go to SG outbound to second server SG inbound and check 80 connected or not. It will verify, right or not? But what will happen here? 80 refusing here. So telnet request trying to go to the server to connect, but SG not allowing. Clear now what I'm trying to say? Same telnet is working. Same telnet is working here. 22, right or not? What is the meaning? This server, I'm saying, can you go and check target server will be connect or not 22 port? I'm saying, yes, request will go to target IP and trying to connect 22. Yes, SG allowing 22. So connecting. Connectivity test. I'm not saying to log in. Connectivity test. So now this server able to log in, this server, no doubt. 22 connectivity is good. So by using telnet, what we can do? We can test connectivity. But telnet. Telnet is what? Connectivity test. Example, telnet IP port. Now tell me, last question, I will close it. Nmap target server private IP. Now target server inside how many processes are running? 80, 22, right? But SG is allowing only 22. Now Nmap process will give how many how many ports it is able to scan? See, 22 only. Clear na? 80 else it will scan, but 80 not allowing na. Clear na? Point is clear na what I'm trying to say? Yeah, that's what the. So what you can do, take these 6 commands, sit peacefully, create 2 servers, one by one till do practice. Don't do 6 commands one time. You will confuse. First take one command until get clarity, run 3, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, write a notes on that command. Next command, do it, write a notes. Next command, do it, write a notes. Don't do 6 commands same time. You will confuse. Are you clear now, guys? Are you clear now? Everyone? Any questions? Very hand raise. Yeah. Salman, go ahead.
Thank you, Veera.
Yeah.
Welcome to join for tomato chutney and butter chicken here. Only SG group whitelisted allowed, and unmapping I have done for chicken butter as well. So this Nmap you're saying, it just tells you that how many ports are open on that particular target system, correct?
Scanning.
It's scanning, it will list you which are open. If they are open, if they are not open, it won't display anything. So that's one command. The other thing is the telnet is just to see the connection between the source to the target, if any particular
Able
port
to
is
connect or not. Yeah.
Of course, the SG group in between will be there. If the SG group that's called firewall, if
Correct.
that is allowed the ports, then you can go to that. So these
between
two
SG, if it is not there, request on see self server able to you can find, but target server definitely in between SG act as a bridge, so definitely it should allow. Yeah.
Yes, SG is basically Naresh IT. So we
Correct.
can't do without if you want to log into the videos, then you need a login, and that's NIT, Naresh IT in between. So that's a bridge firewall. Okay, these 3 commands. Sorry to ask you. You said 5 commands you have shown today. What are the other 2? Sorry if you don't mind me asking.
Yeah, these commands. So internal level, one is for where we are. Yeah, here. So this one is PSOX we clear, right? This is clear. Right? This one.
What do you mean by
inside the
LS
server,
aware? Yeah.
yeah, which process is running on this port?
Okay. So if I say ls of hyphen I and without giving the port number, will it like shows me which are running or is the port numbers to
Good
display?
question. Let me try ls. Okay, hyphen I. Yes, we are able to.
So the I want to check only the
Yeah,
ports
which
which are
process
ordered
is
to be.
running and which port? Yes, we can see.
Okay.
But here port numbers are missing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to give port. Clear now?
Okay. Absolutely clear.
Thanks, Salman. So many people today not attended. They miss very important class. Okay. So guys, 100% interview question, no doubt on this area. How you can debug if some process is not running. Most of the people will say SG, Internet Gateway, SG. No one can touch server OS level. That is also very important, right? Yeah. So tomorrow no class. Saturday we have a class. As I said, 2.5 hours. End to end, I will show. So like today, I will show storage level and process level. Which process taking more CPU, more RAM. Usually how to test instance type selection also. Most of the students don't know which instance type needs to choose. This is also a very important question. So you in your regular trainings, you are taking T2.micro only, right? But in the interview, tell me which instance type you use. You may say simple T2.micro. They can easily understand. You are not working real time. So you can say T2 large. Okay, no worries. They can consider. Why T2 large? The question is, why can't you take CFA large? How you can decide? This kind of questions will come. I will take care of this one also. There is a stress test we have to take care actually. Stress command is there now. We are testing by giving a stress command, how many requests it is holding. We can test like that. We can decide actually. We are not doing nowadays. Simply we are taking T2.large and dev environment. We are testing. Then we can increasing like that only. But this is actual process. Okay. Yeah. Thanks guys. Thanks for your time. Yeah. Perfect.